What up? We live early. Early. Yo, what up, Enrique? What up? Dude, what up, Del? Because I'm not at my house and basically I'm not at my house. So I could trade early today and I have nothing else going on right now. So I'm on. I'm on to hang out. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Yo, how's the volume? You hear me? Volume game good? Volume game is on point. Dude, you guys want to see what my setup looks like? I'll wait till a couple more people are. I'll show you what this thing looks like. It's it's not great. Actually, you know what? I'll show you in the afternoon because the internet guy is coming today and I'm on my phone internet. I'm on a hotspot right now. But what up, Lee? And I don't want to keep switching to like Discord and shit because it could get choppy. Damn, this thing just took off. The ultimate play today would be a sweep above here and then come back down. That would be pretty nice. Oh, dude, this is fucking crazy. I got two computers going. I was trying to access something on my other computer using this computer. Uh, we got the higher high sweep. Oh, boom, 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 boom. I'll send it in the cord. Made some good money this morning. Dude, I can't click on the. boom, 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 boom. I'm looking on my other computer. Dude, I missed the bottom. Completely missed the bottom. Do you guys think we're going to hold this gap? What do you think here? Hold the gap? I don't think this gap is. I bought at the volume and balance. I don't remember saying that. What? Yo, what up? Yo, Sean. Yo, Prophet P in the house. What up, guys? Yo, I'm not at my house, so I got time. I got time. You were sitting in the goober? Yo, he wanted you to FaceTime him. He wanted that FaceTime action. I'm kind of debating. So I want this where we sweep, we come back through, we pop back through, and then we drop is what I'm looking for. Bro, you don't get those morning blumpkins? Yo, genius. What's going on, man? What up? What up? I like this to the downside, by the way. Oh, man, this looks freaking. I hope I didn't miss it. Come on. Yo, I'm always up early. I'm not on early. Tell me I didn't miss this. Come on, give a little bounce. Give a little bounce, baby. Yo, what up, Ivan? There we go. Bounce it. Come up to like 84, and then we can probably, I'll probably short it. Yeah, I usually don't trade this early. I usually wait till at least 9:30, but you know, here we are. Here we are. So take my money and sleep. Yo, what up, David? Oh man. Oh, just cracking my back, man. Yo, the seat I'm on right now is a fucking kitchen chair. My back and ass is gonna kill me by the end of the day. I'm thinking about it. See what happens. This played out. See, this is actually the perfect setup on the 5. You make a higher high, you try to make another one, you get the 3-bar reversal set up. That is an awesome, awesome sequence of events right there. What time is that at? It's 4 in the morning. Oh, come on. The problem with now, it's going to take a while. It's not like a super fast. See, that's the only thing I don't love right there. I am not a fan. I get stopped for minimal gains, minimal loss, but the only thing I'm worried about is this 15-minute fair value gap. You got a 5 and you got the 15. It literally stopped right there, which means we're holding. I want to see this invert and go under 150, and then I'm in the money. We go under 150 here, we're going downtown. Downtown. Take my money. Well, I'm in need. Yo, I did it in the Apex show. Heck yeah. Oh, get your money, Stone. Come on. See, this is the problem with Asia. It takes forever for the move to play out. Well, not this isn't really Asia. I guess it's just pre-market. Yo, how much more money do you need, Dell? Are you almost over, or what's the deal? Oh, let's get freaking rolling. London? Well, I mean, London runs until what? 11 o'clock. Technically, London's till 11 o'clock. But the popular trading time is done at what? What is it? I think it ends at 5. 5 or 6. The popular London time, like trading hours, is pretty much done. Something like that, 5 or 6 in the morning Eastern. I'm probably going to get stopped right here. We did not get a, we're not getting any continuation to the downside. The downside? Yeah. Stop at a minimal loss. That's what it's about. This was an awesome freaking setup. Look at this. Is that fuck? Is it? I just need to make sure we're recalculating correctly. Yeah. Sweep, come through, retest, and then out. What time was that at? That was 8 in the morning. I was up for that. Are you shitting me? How did I not grab that? I don't even think I saw that until we were up here. You're at 1753 Stone. Oh, geez. Tell me I got stopped at the top. Tell me I got stopped at the top. Tell me I got stopped at the top. I'm taking this. My stop is high a day. See what happens. See what happens. I'm holding. Holding. Come on, baby. Get out of this little flag to the downside. Break it for me. Please. Please. Yo, what up, Code? Come on. Come on. Yo, Corey in the house. What up, man? How you been, man? How was your weekend? Yo, crypto is pumping. I got no crypto. I am cryptoless. I wish I wasn't, but I am. Oh, this. Are we just gonna grind up, or are we gonna just dump it like I want to? Just dump it. Dude, wrong account? Wait, what's the wrong account? What happened, Corey? What's the wrong account? What happened? I bought the bottom of the dip for crypto and I'm holding through the rally. Dude, you sound like one of my brothers. I bought the dip. I bought the dip. I'm in. Hold strong, guys. Yo, it's so funny because everyone's got a different name on Discord. Oh, I get it, Corey. I get why it's the wrong account now. I see. I see you. At least it wasn't like, you know, some freaking nickname in there. You know what I'm saying? Like Corey's OnlyFans Ratcliffe, and you freaking messaged on here. Like, oh, sorry guys, wrong account. Yo, what up, Discipline? Yo, Discipline, we saw you playing poker last night. You should have came on voice chat. Man, this would look so good if it dumped. I don't think I'm going to get stopped out. I freaking come on. Dude, that was the only worry I had was we traded back into the 15-minute fair value gap and we bounced right off of it. Oh, if this drops, I'd probably target like 1901. I'd target back at the pivot point, maybe. I don't know, Code. I don't want to be in on this at open because at open it can go like up, down, like, you know, it can wick you out easily. So I'm not really looking to stay in this thing at open. I was just pretty much playing like we get a lower high right here, we break down, and then I close this out. Everybody's up pre-market, but then Trump said, what did he say last night? That was like fake news or some shit on Friday, that the tariff pause was fake news. We're one tweet away. Just remember, no matter if you're long or short, you are one tweet away from big profits or getting crushed. Either way. Just remember that. You are. Oh yeah, discipline. There was voice chat on the bottom left. You go to general, and it's a voice chat, and we're all talking in there. Yep. Bro, you need a stop loss. You always need a stop loss in this market. Dude, if you only played 3-bar reversals, like You have this one at the bottom to go up. This one at the top to go down. You got this one at the bottom to go up. This one up to go down. Would I have played this? No, already down, but got the one here. But the reversal is fucking money. Get the fuck down, man. Get down. Yo, Coach Fred in the house. What up, man? What up? Tomorrow I'll be on the old Top Step TV during lunchtime. I hope this guy comes over and fixes the internet. I should have another monitor also tomorrow. Yeah, I got nothing going on, man. I got nothing going on. So I'm on. I'm live. We're hanging out. I'm in short, hoping not to get stopped out here. You know, I was up 51 down in my phone. The future, I'm back. Oh, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here unless something crazy happens. There's just no continuation to the downside. Look, you could see right here they could have brought this down, and they just bought it right back up. It's probably because I'm freaking on a hotspot. Was it streaming hard the whole time or just now? Was it just now or the whole time? Every 10 minutes? All right, I just shut one thing off that would suck up resources. Let me see what happens. The guy comes at between 2 and 5 today, so I won't switch every time I switch screens. Is it like right this second code? Is it lagging at this second? Bro, yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. So yeah, I'm on a mobile hotspot. I'm on my phone. If you want, I could shut my camera off. That would probably help it out. But everybody wants my camera on. You know what I'm saying? I could always shut the camera off, but then once I do, everyone's like, "Yo, why don't you have your camera on?" And then I have 100 questions about where's my camera at. But that's the next thing that goes is I'll just shut the camera off for it because that eats up a ton. Yeah, no, I know, but people are just like, "Dude, I want to see you." I'm like, "What?" Yeah, this thing's gonna fucking rip. I would say we're probably gonna hit 255. Probably hit the top of the the shave police guy. Dude, people come up with the weirdest shit to complain about. Hey man, why don't you shave? It's like, what? Oh my god, this thing stopped me out. Yeah. Joe, it's so true. What are we thinking? We thinking just a ripper here? I'm thinking they're gonna rip this back up, to be honest with you. I'd want to get in like down here. Fucking stop and drop it. Truth be told, I should get Wendy's to freaking sponsor the stream. Like, yo, you guys want to sponsor the stream? Hand out some free Frosties for people? I mean, this is just looking like it's just grinding. This is a grind up. The one time I buy, it'll stop grinding up, though. Guaranteed. What I say 50, 55 is the high, I think. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Joe. This is why I hate pre-market. It's so weird not being on my normal setup too. There's just no real selling. There hasn't been any real selling in over an hour. Every time they go to push it down, like right here, they could have pushed it down. They bought it back up. Right here, they pushed it down. They bought it back up. Every single time they pushed it down, they bought it back up. Yo, what up, Messi? Yo, Messi, what state are you in? What state are you from, Messi? Sure. Yo, you know what I can't do, BK? I don't know if I can copy trade. I started up NinjaTrader and I don't have Replicanto on this computer. So it's not, NinjaTrader is an application. It's not on the web. So I don't have access to copy trade. So during our magical time at the end of the day, I cannot copy trade. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to set it up on one screen and on my laptop, try to do it at the same time, but prioritize prioritize, what do you call it? My Tradeify, because that's the funded one that I need to do it in. And then I'll try in Take Profit Trader like one of the ways. Oh, you haven't been? Oh, I have. Every day I do it. Road to success. What up? Yo, every day I do it. Um, yeah. Are you shitting me? Dude, I'm always fucking early. Like, I got stopped out at the top, and now we're fucking. I'm literally would be. I would even. I'd be basically even right now. I got stopped out at the top. Come on, you piece of shit. Let's go. Yo, I think someone's here. Is that the fucking guy? No, not the guy. Definitely not the guy. I thought Verizon was here early, or Optimum, whoever the fuck's coming here. Look at this shit. I got fucking stopped out. Yeah, it sure feels that way. Yo, come on, man. Push it. Come on, man. Let's go. I need a Trump tweet right now that says no tariffs. Ask him to make you a sandwich, dude. Like, yo, get me a sandwich. Extra mayo on that one. Come on. Yeah. Dude, this is the slowest action I've seen freaking in a while. We were just moving 30 points in like 10 seconds last week. Now all of a sudden we're not moving. Oh, come on, man. Pump it. Pump it. Oh, there we go. I don't know why. See, it always takes the first out, but that I added down here. I'm going to fucking break even. I'm not losing on this trade. We're free longs now. Holy shit. What the fuck's going on? What was that? All right, I locked in 100 on this. I'm gonna move right there. Come on. I want a free long, baby. We'll take my money. I don't need. Come on. Come on. I want that push. I want to go under that candle is where I want. I want this candle to go up to like over 220, and I'm going to go at the bottom. I'm going to put my stop. All right, I got my stop is right there now. Come on. Push it. Freaking push it. Let's go. Come on. Please go. Please. Please. I need you to go up. There we go. Kind of running out of steam, to be honest with you. It's definitely running out of steam here. Like a red candle is, I feel like a red candle is due and it's going to stop me out. It just feels like we're like the buying seems like it has stopped. You know, look how fast these candles push, and now we're just kind of got to get over 223 with this candle. You want to see continuation highs. Come on, baby, continue it. I need some guy to fat finger. I need some guy to come in with a huge buy and fat finger it up. See, we're getting overbought. Stochastics are starting to roll. I'm probably going to get stopped here. And to that, we say bye-bye. I assume I'm getting stopped out here. Like how it's trading, I assume I'm getting stopped out. Unless they come in with a like some buying. Also, it's 919. I probably wouldn't be entering this right now. Like I would want. I mean, I'm going to move my stop up, but like I don't want to be in a position at 930, or at least I'll just have my stop in. Are they going to push this? Are they going to give a big daddy candle? I mean, technically your target should be 253. 253 is the high of the, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. All right. Well, now I'm chilling out for the next 9 minutes because there's no reason to freaking jump in something with 9 minutes left. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Sean, the open's coming up. I'm not jumping in right now. I'll just chill out for 2 seconds and see what's up. Uh-oh. Oh, there's news out. Within the next 4 years, NVIDIA plans to produce up to $500 billion of AI infrastructure in the United States through partnerships with TSM. Wow. Okay. Oh, my eye. This is kind of flagging right here, by the way. Just open the market up for us. Do I take this? Do I take this flag to the upside? Whatever. I'm in. It's not worth risking. You got to risk it for the biscuit. Come on. Give us the pump. All right, the trade is free. Oh, did they not move me up? Trade is free, so no cost to me. The trade is free. I'm my break even. If it fills me, it fills me, and I'm out. Yo, are we in Thailand? I mean, stopped right here. Nope. Oh, there you go. Got stopped. And then made 5. I don't just oh. Oh, they stopped me out the fuck at that. Look at that shit. They literally top mark, very bottom. Cool. Cool. That's 200 and something dollars. Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. It was literally right there, right at the freaking bottom. What the fuck? Why did I close early? Because the market's about to open. I don't like being in any positions come market open. Just how I am. No positions at market open. More than 60% of the CEOs think a recession is coming. That's interesting. That's real interesting. here we go. About to open in 2 minutes is the open, boys and girls. Oh, somebody just got freaking their salad tossed on that candle. Wow. Wow. Yo, what up, Josh? Dude. Yo. That was a 25 pointer. That's why I don't like trading close to the open. You think you're in the profits until that happens. You think it's all good. Yo. Someone just got hosed. All right, here we go. We're about to open. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Shit's going to be wild. I'm thinking down for whatever reason. I don't know why. I'm not playing it, obviously. There you go. Oh. I wouldn't touch it. I would just wait. I'd wait it out just a little bit and see what happens. That's the truth. Let it settle. It's going to be all over the place. Just let it breathe for a little bit. Man, my back. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Dude. Yo, watch us go red today. How's that sound? Watch us go red. Anybody think we're going to go red? How crazy would that be? Look at this. Hi, who's trading this shit? Just hold up and relax. Let the markets come to us. Out for 33 points? I mean, you got to limit into this. This is a limit in scenario. I'm not holding anything. Ain't gonna see me holding anything. I don't want to get stuck. I have this weird feeling we're going red today. We're up 2%. Watch us go red. Yo, what up, Kevin? I don't know. No, I'm not at my house. So I figured I'd come on and say what's up and stream and hang out. I got on internet guy to show up. That's what I'm doing today. Waiting for the what's Yo, I didn't realize. Yo, I didn't realize when I took this off. Yo, somebody should have said I'm muted. When I took my camera off, it takes the voice away. I didn't know that. Yo, no one said anything in the chat like, yo, I can't hear you. Yo, way to tell me now. Yo, I didn't know I was muted the whole time. Yeah. I took my camera off because it was eating up the thing, and no one said anything. Like, yo, I can't hear you anymore. You haven't talked for fucking 10 seconds. Yeah, no, no. I was just messing around with stuff. I took the camera off to free up usage on my internet. Dude, what sucks is I can't swap screens. Every time I swap screens. Yo, what up, Garen? Every time I swap screens, the fucking internet is brutal. I think we're going to sweep and go back up. Anyone regretting holding? I'm not holding. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for 5 more minutes for the orbs to be set. I got a 5 more minutes to hold. Dude, it's right at that last volume imbalance right now. Do I take it off the last volume imbalance? That is the question. I can't see any of my other indicators. Yo, what up, Flip? Flip, Flip. I'd like to see a bounce, come back, hold, and then up. This doesn't look very good. Oh, baby. They're just unloading this. Yeah, the old pump and dump. This is the pump and dump for dude. What did I say? We were gonna go red. We were at like the highs. I was like, watch us go red today. Watch us go red. It just feels like all the gains are going bye-bye. But we'll probably get a bounce here. Getting oversold. Quite a bit oversold here. Orbs are set in 2 minutes. One last maybe sweep. Little 9:30 turnaround. 9:45 turnaround here. I might play that. Holding. Come on. There you go. Damn, they're just giving it up. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna hold, but that seemed pretty like you got to buy at 19,000. Like, let's be real. You know, that seemed like a layup. Yo, those 5-minute candles are anti-boners. I mean, we just bounced off 19,000 pretty hard. Dude, the Trump tower fly is ridiculous if you really think about it. Dude, they just bounced that hard. Yeah, so basically Trump came out and said that the 90-day freeze was not legit or something like that. Like it was fake news. That's what he was talking about, right? The 90-day pause was fake news. Apple was cheering, but they found out they still hit tariffs. Still, oh, geez. Yeah. Oh, geez. Here we go. I think is this going to be a sell right here? Nvidia is dumping. Nvidia had some news. Yo, if he tweets out this is a good time to buy, I might go all in with everything I got. Zero DTE freaking calls and just wait. Just wait. I mean, I mean, he knows exactly what's going on. How am I going to use the 15-minute orb? Kevin, the best way to do it is watch the video I made, because I made a whole, it's like a 10-minute, 15-minute video. I would watch the back test and watch how I did it is probably the best way. You know, in general, it's a sweep of the lows, but you know, there's a lot of other things that come into play. Like I don't know if we're going to come back here just due to the fact of this looks dirty. Am I going to short here and follow the 9 down? This loses 19,000. This is going to dump. That I could tell you. We go under 19. this is dumping. Damn, Joe, Dell's on a roller coaster ride right now. You on that roller coaster ride, man. Nvidia is getting slammed with tariffs. Nvidia is going to be an awesome buy, Ray, at some point. I just think it's got to come down. Like you get Nvidia around like 75 or something. Ahoy, Captain Profit P. Oh. So, Kevin, the theory behind the orb would have been you would have grabbed this sweep right here. But we've been selling off. That's why I did not do it. But that would have been it. You swept, you held, and then you would have bought long. Yo, don't go against the plan. Dude, that was really delayed. Yo, I'm delayed. I'm delayed in getting in and out by about 2 or 3 seconds. Just an FYI. What do we think? We're gonna form a little bear flag here and then roll. Kind of what it's looking like. Little bear flag where we trade like here. If you look, this was the trend, right? This is the trend. We're basically coming back and testing the trend. I wonder if we test the trend and then there's the trend. We broke it. We come back. We retest it, and then we don't. See what happens. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. I shouldn't have got out. I wanted to just get out of half. Is what I wanted to get out at. Keep pushing. Nope, I'm out. But if you look, we came back. We literally tested that trend line right there at 98. I mean, it doesn't get more perfect than that. This line was drawn way before we made this move. So you could see it just, that was a perfect setup. That was a perfect setup. I'm definitely short bias. I definitely think we're going to go lower, but I'll just play whatever the chart gives me. Chart gives me up, we go up. But I just think there's more. I think there's more meat on the bone to the downside than the upside. Because let's be real, like if we really start dumping, like you're gonna get like 1,000. Wow, they just bought that all the way back up. Look again, right at the trend line, right? Look at that. Second time at the trend, probably break it. Break it. We gonna fill the cash gap and pop? I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna get stopped. I just don't see a world where we see. I don't. Maybe I'm just too short biased. I don't know. We'll see. See, my thing is I'm short as long as we stay below this trend line. See, like this yellow line I drew out, as long as we stay below that, I think it's a short. As soon as we break above that, I'm long bias. That's probably what I would say. We break above that, we break above the 34, I'm going to say we're going long. But when we're below that, I feel like I am short. See, this is what I don't like is we got low and they're not continuing it. I want a continuation candle down is what I really want. I want to see it fucking dump. I'm going to get out of this right here though, because I was down and I just made, I don't know, $400 real quick. But I do think it looks better to the downside. I feel like I'm going to regret getting out of my short. How's that sound? I just got to take the money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was down $700 or $800, and I'm only down $4 now. I gotta take the profits. That's the only way that I can claw back. And then once I'm around even or up a little bit, I can then let it move around more. It's what you don't want to do is you don't want to go down 800, 1200, and then 1700, and then you're just in a hole. Like, if you're able to bring it from like 800 down to 400, it frees up for more moves. This is fucking gonna go. I clicked the button here. Yo, I guess it didn't fill me. Good thing. I got saved. I got crazy. Yo, what up, Nasdaq? Nasdaq? I'm not. I thought it would. I was waiting for just a quick stay under the 9 and dump. I don't like that we got back over. What's lagging? The charts or like my face? Like my camera's lagging or oh, you know what I can do? Watch this. Watch this. You want to see something? I'll show you something I can do. Let me see. Boom. Now you can see that I'm in a spare bedroom. Yo, is that better? Yo, let it like catch up. But is that better, Garen? Yo, the internet guy comes today, so I'll have everything fixed between 2 and 5, which BK said would be 6 o'clock. Yeah, I'm in a dude. There's like an I don't think it's ever been used because this is where I'm at. My friend's house. Um, he's got like this is like the last bedroom. I guess you'd call it like the fifth bedroom, and there's like a crib in here, and I don't think it's ever been used. Uh, yeah, I don't think it's ever been used for the easily fall out. Um, but yeah, I take the blur off. It frees up like space on the computer. What the fuck is that? I most definitely clicked the button to get in. What the fuck was that? Bro, that dude, I'm having some serious fucking problems here. Oh man. Oh, and it stopped me out of one of my positions. Cool. Dude, this is freaking brutal trading like this. I'm having some mean data. Wait, what's wrong, Stone? The fact that I can't get in and out of a position? What's up, Marie? Dude, I need the guy to come and fix my freaking internet here. need to see, yo, Nancy Pelosi's positions, they come out, what is it, every quarter? Every quarter they come out. What up, caveman? Yo, I definitely can't scalp in this environment with my delayed. Oh, baby. I am on vacation, Corey. I'm actually streaming on I'm streaming on a phone hotspot today. Yo, what's the news? Anybody know the news? What just came out? Yeah, my kids are off, and I'm at my friend's house. I'm at my friend's house that he doesn't use. So I'm here and I'm hanging out here until Friday, but because he doesn't use this place, he didn't pay the freaking internet bill. So now he had to pay the internet bill and they got so now they got to come hook up the internet and I should have the internet by tonight. They said between 2 and 5 the guy will be here. I'm sure he has to do something at the pole, and then he's got to switch the box out. So I'm pretty good night. So we'll see what happens. Which kind of leads me to believe I should, how things are working, I should probably trade off the 5 is honestly what I should do. That's what I should be doing while I'm out here is trading off the 5 because my entries are delayed. Once I get a pullback, I'm probably going to jump in this thing. I got no food at the house. I got no food here. I might go get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel. I'm going to see what else is out here to go grab, maybe. I don't know. So far, that's the front runner, or a deli sandwich, like a roast beef with like Swiss mayo, lettuce, tomato, onion, some pepper. I just want to make sure that this is okay. That's the view up. Yo, I can't switch to my trading view screens because when it goes to look, so I trade off of this. Get a hot melt. Yo, what's a hot melt? Is that pastrami? Is that pastrami with like Swiss? Is that what a hot melt is? Crispy. Oh, the ajou sauce, right? That's what is that, prime rib with cheese? It's like a Arby's. We have the meats. You want a hot cheese? What the hell is a hot cheese? Is that a grilled cheese? Like you can get a bad Cuban at deli and be like, "What is this shit?" Could definitely end up with a bad Cuban. It's to end up with a bad like deli sandwich. Yeah, at least it reminds me to never trade on a phone hotspot in the future. Dude, Garen, you ain't kidding. I can't bring up any of my shit. I don't even know what this looks like on the one. Yo, this account is fucking gonna say bye-bye soon. This is gonna be my hotspot account. I'll tell you what, I get that you trading at night and just so I want to see them all the way down. We're right in the middle of the range right here. This is the box. This is VWAP, right? I zoomed out. Tradeovate definitely recalculated it. This thing's so freaking messed up. I really do think we're gonna get out of this range. Don't trade on a hot spot, boys. Dude, is that Puma from freaking is that's his name, right? Puma from Lion King or what's that guy's name? If Puma's the other one, what's that guy's name? Bottom. I want to see it dump now. Okay, now I don't feel bad. Timon, yeah, that's it. Yeah, whatever. I just button. Am I in? I don't even know. Let's go. I should just take this money. Fucking drawdowns hurting. Drawdowns hurting for a squirting. We're gonna go for it here. We're back. We're back under. We're back above. Nope, not going for it. Yo, I use Volumetrica, but I'm not going to use Volumetrica going forward. How's that sound? Right now, I'm on Volumetrica. I got 3 funded accounts with my funded futures there. I just don't like the platform. Yeah, trading that with my funders. Yeah, stick to trade. Like Volumetrica was cool at first, to be honest with you, really cool. But like, I noticed in Volumetrica, because you can't just switch to like micros and minis. Like I'll play minis all day in there and hit the daily loss limit in those accounts more than any other accounts. Yeah, that wasn't fucking delayed. Holy shit, that was delayed. That was so fucking delayed. They're dragging their balls on the market, just bringing it down. Yeah, I can see that. Come on, give me one solid push here. I'll get out. I'm just trying to get my drawdown up just a little bit. Yeah, it's all this tariff shit, man. We're going to be just chopping around up, down until they settle the tariffs. Until then, this is what the market is. There's so much. What's going to be a big problem? This is going to be a really, really big problem, actually. Uh, Earnings are going to come out. And if this isn't settled by earnings, the guidance is going to suck. There's going to be some real bad guidance on a lot of these companies. That's going to be the big thing. Bouncing off the old Oh, we got a little bouncy right there. Dude, I am. I think I'm gonna play this to the downside. There we go. I got filled. Dude, this is crazy. Come on. We gonna push out of this or what? Almost blew a funded bull knox. Absolutely a DNA channel. I'm probably staying out till 2 p.m. Yeah, you don't want to get any DNA on you, man. I feel you. I feel you. Flipping the internet out. Hotspot time. Yo, I'm on the old hotspot. Oh, CT, you can come back. Could definitely come back. Okay. Okay. I'm working my little buffer back. I'm working it back. This does not look great. Let's see if I can set this up right now. Oh, get in on this thing. Let's see if I can. I'm going to try setting this duck race up if my fucking internet doesn't fucking get crazy. Let's see if I can set up the duck race. You're only taking one trade? I believe that. It's kind of been a shitty type of day. Here we go. Let's see if I can set this up. Dude, if I can run this fucking duck race today, I'd be shocked. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Only for people on the stream. Yo, it's only open for 3 minutes. Ugh. Only open for 3 minutes. Where can I get 2K per month on dividends, and how much money do I need to get that level? You mentioned something about that the other day. I would find dividends, either ETFs or stocks that you like. You know, there's companies like Pepsi that give you 4% a year. There's definitely ETFs that pay you out every there's definitely ETFs that will pay you out. You know, I'm better equipped to answer that once I have the internet and I'm able to show you stuff. But once I have the internet and I can like flip to all different screens, Maria, I'll run it through for you. Like, I know like I think there's a Schwab ETF that pays dividends. There's some good companies that pay them, but I will show you on the stream once. I should have internet later today, and tomorrow I can show you on the stream all of the different ones. Ford's at 6%. I don't. You gotta remember though, like when you buy Ford, you'll get 6%. But like if the tariffs are hurting the auto industry, you know, there's definitely things you got to watch out for in buying actual stocks that give dividends versus like ETFs. At least with an ETF, you're kind of spread out. Like your risk on the actual equity is spread out. Yeah, no problem. Yo, you know who started a dividend is Palantir started a dividend. I thought that was interesting. I think Google has a dividend too. Well, that was the end of that. Yo, how delayed was that fucking sound? Dude, that sound was delayed by like 30 seconds. Cove changed his regular place. I'm out at a friend's house until Friday. There used to be a tiny place on the west side of the line. Guy would run out of brisket. Dude, I go for some brisket right now, man. Yeah, PG. I heard about JEPI. I don't know anything about him though. Like I gotta look. I gotta look. Dude, this is some serious chop. Yeah, Josh, I want to say I heard like that's what I heard about them. That's like those leverage like MSTY or TSLL. They're like leverage Tesla, leverage micro strategies, but they give out like these massive dividends. But like the stock price drops. Obviously, anytime there's a dividend, the stock price drops. But yeah. Just bought a My Funded Futures account with the best coupon. Yo, Flip, take it to a payout, dude. I want to see you take it to a payout. Yeah, covered call fund. Yeah, yeah. So they're actively trading it with covered calls on certain things. Makes sense. Makes sense. Listen, I'm not against any of that stuff. I like type of stuff. We get just kind of collect your 100%. I still haven't gotten dude. That PG since when? When'd you pass? You should have got activated. All of mine get activated the very next day. I have not had any issues with Take Profit Trader. Are you sure that you're over the 5 days of trading and you're not over the consistency rule? Like, did you go in the actual accounts and look to see that you did the 5 days and that the consistency rule is there? I just want to make sure because I know that I thought I was over and I was like, this didn't get activated yet. And then I realized I traded for it. Cove, if you fell for 50K start for one day, I'm trying to get for a poker. I reached out to see if they wanted to give me like 3 free accounts for a poker tournament. Yo, PG, I would look in the dashboard to make sure you did the days. Dude, it's automated though. That's automated. Oh, they said you passed? Did you do everything? Like did you do the thing and everything? Where you pay for it or use the credit for the free activation? Yo, what up, Waldo? Did you use the credit for the free activation? Yeah, Waldo, we've been hanging out. We've been hanging out. Oh, I was actually thinking about taking my $50, but Dude, that's crazy, PG. I only say that because I passed 2 on Thursday. Friday I had them pass 2 on Friday, and I have four. I have 4 pro accounts right now. But I until I get my internet fixed, I'm not lighting them up. I might get out of this even actually. Until they fix my internet, I'm not going with pro accounts. So that's crazy. I didn't know it was that bad. Do you think we'll fill the gap? Honestly, Noel, uh, I don't know. I just know that it's very choppy right now. There's no real market direction. And I feel like I have this weird feeling that they're going to give it up. Damn, PG, so you took that to you're taking that to a pro account. That's awesome. Yeah. I don't know why the customer service is so bad, except they're just super short staffed. Ever since they got rid of the daily loss limit, I think a lot of people flock there. Also, like Apex stopped running deals. My funded futures increased their pricing in January, and I think more people are just going to take profit trader. Also, I think since this volatility, there's a lot of people that are passing a lot of accounts. I think with this volatility, a lot of people are slamming accounts over there. Dude, this is serious chop. Yo, what up, Lord? Yo, is Top Step really going to do those new rules? Is that like set in stone that they're going to do the rules, or is it just something? What's the deal with that? I actually don't even know. I saw them talking about it, but I didn't know if they're going to really do it. Oh, dude, I can't use Aquaman futures, Messi. I'm out on Aquaman futures. Alpha futures, I'm probably not. I'm probably out on alpha futures also. There's just a new prop firm popping up every other week, and sooner or later, you're going to see them all start falling, and you're not going to get paid. That's how I feel about it. That's what I think is going to happen. You know, you get these new ones, they pop up, a bunch of people go there, somebody gets a massive payout from them, and then they either can't pay the guy or they pay and they're just out money. They have all the data. Cool. Just fucking move my orders, man. So they have all the data. So they know if we take away this, what we would make. If we add this rule, what we would make. They have all that data on their end. So they know exactly what happens. You know, as long as everybody trades the same going forward, they know that if they change this rule or that rule, how much more in profits they make. 1000%. Some guy did a whole video about it. Awesome. Fucking awesome. Yo, what up, Dan Henderson? They have a war chest of capital. Yo, Messi, I saw a sushi restaurant that had 4.5 on their Trustpilot and gave me food poisoning. You can have all your buddies leave your reviews on Trustpilot. Yo, I don't believe any of that shit. Also, you can get reviews taken down on Trustpilot also. Just an FYI. I can't believe I got fucking stopped out. I got stopped out and it's all the way back in the green. Yo, I had my alarm said, yo, Walter, we up. We doing it early today. We're doing it early. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, we're going nowhere today. Nowhere, nowhere. See, if I was able to switch onto my other monitors, I would probably say that I would play a fair value gap inversion to the downside off of this. We top, you play a fair value gap to the downside. That's how I would play this. This is just, there we go. There we go. Had to make back some money. What up, Ray? Dude, I am starving. It's not even near lunchtime, though. And I am starving. Price action's choppy as shit. Look at that. Whew. I kind of want to see what the fuck's going on my other charts, but I can't I can't click the tab over. This to me looks like a roll. What up, Racer? This is like it's a roll. Oh, I clicked the button, man. Get me, are you kidding me? I get the worst fill. Yeah. Dude, I fucking clicked that button. We were like 10 points fucking higher. We were 10 points higher when I clicked that button. Do not whole. Oh, dude. Yo, trading on a hot spot is not recommended. Is not recommended. I would to maybe up here, make a lower high and then roll over. That's what I'm looking for. Come up a little bit. Do not make a new high and roll would be not. $19,000 maybe. Oh, cool. I need my fucking other tools. If this doesn't work out, I'm gonna click on my other tabs and see if I can bring up my other tools. Because I'm like fucking trading blind right now. Here we go. Dude. Three hours before the market, I want to see some volume all day. I want to see a lower high. Actually, if you went short and your top was 184 close, was above 1.4 would be my stop. Gamble 5,000. Just watching. Just watching. Dude, I didn't think this was going to happen today. Just a chop fest of a day. Oh. All right, I hit the button. I fucking order it. See what happens here. I want to win at life. You win at internet games don't matter. Dude, it's fucking internet so bad. Yeah, I got stopped. Fuck this. This is just. I'm gonna wait until we get a clear fucking entry. I'm not at my house. I'm somewhere else, and I'm waiting for the. I'm at my friend's house. So I'm at my friend's house, and I'm waiting for the internet guy to be here at between 2. Are you shitting me? Did that just happen to me? The internet guy is going to be here between 2 and so I'm just going to fucking hold it. No, I am not. He's going to be here between 2 and 5, but he's got to fix something at the pole. He's got to fix something at the pole. He's got to give me a new box. Dude, I'm trying to get out. Jesus. Go. We rented a yacht in Key West and bring the stream. Bro, I'm all about that. Dude, I massive pay. $1,200 payout in Top Step. You know, I'm getting a lot of payouts, but like they're not massive at all. You know, and I'm not trying to down anybody's payouts, but like, I'm getting $500, I'm getting $1,200, I'm getting $1,500, and I'm getting a lot of them. Like, listen, I know I'm getting a good amount of them, but I want to go for the $40,000 and $100,000 payouts in a month. And the only way I'm going to do that is by holding for bigger gains and playing the larger accounts, I think. Like argument's sake, we got the 3-bar reversal right here, right? I should have played this short 211, and my stop would have been 255, right? I should have played that, and I would have gotten a map or at the pivot point. You know, that's 100 points. I would have done that. Oh, what can go wrong there? So that's where I'm at. And like, you know, that's what I think I'm going to end up going for. The problem is the moves that you want, only one or them all, and like, that is one of them. That bitch fucking candle. I've seen. It's a real airspace. Trump in 5. Anything. You. Luca, I kind of feel it. Talk Bob. If they're talking, isn't that El Salvador guy? Isn't he huge into Bitcoin? He put his government's money in BTC. They might be talking Bitcoin. What up, cats? They might mention some crypto shit in 5 minutes. I don't know what else they could talk about, considering I think he's known for crypto. That I didn't mean to get in. I didn't mean to get in. I wasn't even fucking. Oh my god. I wasn't even near the button. Down tomorrow, big. It just feels like this isn't done. I can tell you that it feels like this whole tariff shit's not done. It feels like this is just a little bounce for everybody to kind of reshort, get out of any longs that you got in low. and, and, and reset your your whole positions is kind of what this feel like. Oh, we got what do you? Your stop would be 94. Holy shit! I need to get a better entry. 94 would be your stop. I that would have been a great fucking entry on this pop. I would not want to be the hell out of all those guys. Frozen? Who's yo? Do you hear me now? Yo, Bill C. Hide on stream. Hide on stream. Let me see. Oh, you hear now? See me in the settings. Yeah. Okay. Put some Diddy oil on it. So here's my problem. If I switch tabs to make decisions, my computer freezes. Dude, I got the thing that's going to solve this. Watch this. Dude, I got the thing that's going to solve this for everybody. I got my that's a computer. I'll have to reset it. It's honestly too much internet to bring up my fucking trading view. That was just a 3 bar setup though. That's fucking crazy. I'm messing around. Watch. Looking at the internet connection. It make adjustments. This guy will be here today, though. Hopefully, he's fucking here at 2 o'clock. Am I frozen? I need to reboot. I'm not running anything to reboot, though. Connection. I don't know how I'm going to fucking do this. I don't have anything running on my computers. But it really comes down to is I'm on a fucking hotspot. It's probably not great. I can't believe I didn't take this and just hold it. Come up. I'm trying to picture the fucking chart head. You on tilt? Why? What happened? Dude, you can see. Ah, there you go. What's that look like? The poisonous fog happened. What's it look like? You see, dude, that was such a nice little trade right there. Yo, BK looks better. I have I have to set it to see if I can take it off. Take it off. You can't hear me. Do this. You can't hear. I got to keep it on for audio. I'm gonna see how I can get rid of my mirror. I was just literally just playing around with this. I gotta look. The crazy part is it's all gonna be fixed in like fucking 6 hours. It's all gonna be fixed. You know, in 6 hours it's fixed, and I can't. You know, just I'm gonna go through it, and it is what it is. It is what it is. I'll try to fix it though in about a half hour. Trying to fix this shit's already cost me fucking money from not being able to trade, trying to fix it. Completely missed this. And I just going to target down here. Come on. I want to. If this works, so this works. This is plugged in. This shit is, oh, it's right here, right? Yo, can you hear me? You got to tell me if you could hear me, though. Stop. Yeah, is it buffering though? What's the buffering and sound like right now? I'm sure that free up some shit. I'm not streaming. Freaking. Still the same? You would think that taking away the video would be like the ultimate freer up of space. It's cleaner right now. Yeah, I mean, I would assume it has to be cleaner because it have been bandwidth. I'll tell you what, if the Verizon guy doesn't show up today, I will be back at my house tomorrow. I can tell you that right now. So either way, I'll be back to normal because I can't do this for another day. So either way, it will be fixed tomorrow. Come on. Oh, look at that. Right off the volume, dude. Right volume imbalance. Look at that. Perfect shit. Wow. Okay. Come down. I want you to go under 19,000. Under. Come on. Cats. My camera is not frozen. I pulled the plug on the camera so the voice stays fine. I'm on an iPhone hotspot, so I don't have much internet. I'm on a hotspot. So my internet's going to be fixed today. So I pulled the plug on the camera to free up bandwidth. I told you guys people want to see the camera. It gets the people going. Oh, look at this. So fucking, come on. Come on. You see okie dokie? Oh, it's just up fucking $80. Man, I should have taken my money. Should have taken my money. I was up. I was up until I wasn't up. Come on. Push this fucking thing down. Push. Push. One big fucking can right here, baby. Push. Push it. Push it. I know I'm going to get out and it's going to go down. I'm out, and the rest of you guys can take it for the big win. Watch. I'm out. I got $80. Watch, it's just going to drop. There we go. Oh. Your first target would have been right here, Kevin. Pretty much where it just bounced off of. Your first target would have been this, and then your next target would have been probably my. I'm waiting. Oh, this sucks, Dell. All right, I'm going to just get off. I'm just going to get off and I'm going to try fixing this shit. Look, it's all working out too. I'm going to jump off now. I will see you guys later on. I'm going to try fixing this shit. All right. I will see you guys later on. I'm going to try fixing this now. I'm out. Yeah. I'm going to try fixing this shit and see what I can do. All right. Peace.